Okay, I'm finally getting to work on the vintage here. I say I'm finally getting to work. I've already started a bunch of stuff. Got up on blocks right now. I pulled the old axle off. Springs are still on there, but we got this travel trailer from auction. Like many travel trailers we found at auction, people don't tighten their lug nuts. They lose a wheel. They end up dragging, you know, their drum and grinding it down until it literally hits the bottom of these brackets on the axle, and then stuff just falls apart, and then the insurance company doesn't want to pay them out, so or they end up paying them out. They just total it instead of fixing it. So we buy them, and I got a new axle here. This is a very difficult axle to find, so I actually had to modify another axle that would work. This axle's probably, I don't know, 12 inches wider than the original, but I had to actually weld on new pedestals. I welded them on, I painted them. But yeah, I'm going to be trying to install this, and we'll see how this goes, and then get this trailer up and running, and then hopefully find a buyer for it. So I'll keep adding some more clips here as I go along.